Hello everyone, hi, this is Stephanie here from MamaTellYou. Today the recipe that we are going to be showing you is actually the tomato egg drop noodle soup. So this is something that like if I'm working from home, I always like to share this recipe, share this dish together with my children because I feel it's healthy and they also seldom eat tomatoes, but if I cook it in this way, they are actually more receptible to it. So it's my go-to simple kind of recipe. It's easy to cook, easy to prepare, and most of the times I have this ingredient at home. Well, if you have other ingredients, you can always switch it up as well. So like if you have a tomato base, maybe you can have some meat, and some chicken. But I think tofu always works very well for this dish. So today I've done a meatless version because on certain days we actually go meatless just to let our body system rest for a while. So we go for more plant-based protein instead of meat protein. So yeah, and I hope you enjoy the recipe.
Cut the white portion into 2 inches long. Chop the green portion and set aside for garnish. Cut the fungus and remove any hard parts. Cut the tomato in half and remove the stem. Cut the tomato into small cubes. Add 1 teaspoon of kombu powder and let it marinate. The ingredients you will need are olive oil, spring onion, Ikan Bilis powder, black fungus, tofu, water, noodles, egg, and tomato. Heat up the olive oil. Stir fry spring onion stock till fragrant. Add in tomato. Saute for 3 minutes till they soften. Add in black fungus. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add water and stir well. Cover and let it boil for 10 minutes. Add in the noodles to the side of the pot. Add in 1 teaspoon of Ikan Bilis powder and mix well. Beat the egg. Add it in at the other side of the pot. Let it simmer for 3 minutes. Top it off with tofu and spring onions. Cover and allow the remaining heat to infuse the flavors. Serve immediately.
Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe and I hope that you can try it out as well. So if you do try it, do tag us at MamaTellYouSG. If you have any feedback or any suggestions on what you want us to cook, just leave it down in the comments below. And don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Till the next video, I will see you again. Bye!